This video is going to use the Mother 32 and the DFAM from Moog to dial up some patches from the LA 2019 House of Electronicus patch book. And if you go into the video description, you'll find a link right there that will take you into this. And this patch is called the Faux 1. And let's dial that up and listen to what it sounds like and then play with it and change it. So I'm going to do the frequency in the middle. It looks like it's on a sawtooth waveform, pulse width in the middle as well. The mix is right up here, and the cutoff is at about 200 hertz with the resonance, just a bit of resonance. And we're going to do the VCA mode is right down, the volume right about there, and glide is off. It looks like the VCO modulation source is the envelope VCO mod, and VCO mod amount is down. Pulse width is up for VCO modulation destination, and the VCF mode is down, so it's going to be a low end pass. And it looks like the modulation source is from the envelope with the VCF modulation amount right about here. And VCF modulation polarity is up. We have the gate right around here, and the LFO rate is pulled back a bit. And triangle wave for LFO wave attack is right off. And it looks like sustain is off as well. Decay is in the middle, and the VCF mix is right down. We also have the VCO decay here, and it looks like this sequence pitch modulation is set to off. Envelope amount for the VCO1 is right around here, and VCO1 frequency in that position there. The VCO1 wave type is a triangle, and the level looks like it's full. And we have low pass is down, cutoff is down, resonance is down, VCA envelope is fast. Their volume is cranked. As you know, I don't crank it quite that much to start with, just to be sure that the equipment is safe and good. The 1-2 FM amount is right off. It looks like the hard sync is off. The envelope is right at 12 o'clock for the VCO2. And it looks like the frequency is also at 12 o'clock. And we have VCO2 level is off. Noise level is off. VCF decay is up a little bit. And VCF envelope amount is in the positive right around here. And noise is down, and VCA decay is set to this position. So let's do just a quick look, because that one I dialed up very, very quickly. All right, so let's take now the patches and put those in. So it looks like the VCO pulse is going to be going into the mix of the CV on the Mother 32. And we're going to go and take the VCF resonance, and that's going to go down into the envelope input, envelope output is going to feed into the VCF resonance. So my envelope is going to control how that resonance sounds. That's pretty cool. And then we have the assign port from here, and that's going into the advanced clock. Now, the assign port, ahead of time, I set that up to be a clock output. So it's going to tell the DFAM the speed, how everything's going. And the way that you do that is you do shift, reset accent, set end 8, and you press those simultaneously. And then you select 2, and that makes the assign output like that. I've done it in a few videos already, so I'm not going to replicate too many times. And that should be our patch setup. And I should say, for the assign patch, definitely that's in the Mother 32 manual. So I'll be sure to say that too, is that you can look it up in Mother 32 and just look at the assign output setting, and it will give you step-by-steps on how to do that. So let's take a look at the Faux 1 notes. It says patch LFO triangle output on Mother 32 to VCF decay input on DFAM. to vary kick length. So LFO triangle out on the mother 32. Let's find that. So LFO triangle out. And you know what? Let's, so LFO triangle out onto VCF decay input. Let's find the VCF decay, which is right here. So that will vary the kick decay length. Cool. So we'll play with the LFO triangle and play with DFAM's velocity knobs to change the rhythm. Yeah, we'll do that. And turn the resonance knob on the DFAM up all the way to create an electro kick. All right. So we have this patch set up. Let's do, we're going to do advance to 8. We'll press run stop. And then when we press play on the mother 32, it's going to start this on the 1. So it'll be in rhythm. And let's do run start. Yeah, that's cool. So I'm going to bring back the volume just a touch. There we go. And let's see what it sounds like without this patch in there. Let's just pull that. Yeah, so we have the, because it said to do, maybe it was the LFO triangle output to VCF decay. So here we go. There we go. Before I had the VCO saw selected, that's why it didn't sound right. So now the LFO triangle is controlling that kick. So let's play with the LFO rate. That has an interesting end result to it. And now let's play with the DFAM velocity knobs to play with that rhythm. There we go. And of course, we're going to play with the VCO. Pitch that up a bit. And now this will. That's a good low sound. And I'm going to bring back the noise here. There we go. And now we're going to turn the resonance knob up on the DFAM, as they say in the notes, to create that electro kick sound. I'm going to re-add the external, bring back that cutoff. And let's see what we can do with the frequency. I'm going to use, so right now I'm in shift keyboard mode, so I'm going to press right, and we're going to pitch this up a bit to see how that sounds. Let's go right here. Now I'm going to go shift step, and I'm going to change the pattern to see how that sounds. I like how that sounds. There we go. So yeah, I guess with these videos, I'm just hoping to kind of add to how you're creating music. And definitely this is something where I'm always growing with. So if you have any comments or questions or anything like that, please put them down below in the comment section. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for checking out my content.